Amazing with the roll up.
Yeah, I've been rolling for a long time.
I bet, so we rolling up today. Tortilla wraps, that is. And with a variety of different meats, it's literally your choice and reference for creating this spectacular meal. Now let's start the show.
All right, so we got our meat going here for our tacos, folks. We're doing some tacos. Chicken quesadillas. We got our refried beans behind here warming. We got them on a low fire. So we can get it popping. All right, so we get our frying pan a little warm here. Olive oil. We'll put our chicken in that in a second. If you're gonna use ground beef, you use ground turkey or chicken, but if you're gonna use beef, when you're cooking, you gotta make sure you drain all this fat off. You don't want all this fat going into your sauce. So we're gonna let that drain for a second. We're gonna use our same pan though, with a little bit of oil in to do our seasoning for it. So put that back on. That's my chicken for the quesadilla coming along. And then basically we just got a nice little blend of
Nice little mixture
onions,
right there.
garlic, cilantro. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Pop that in there. Give you a nice little flavor. On the back, we got our refried beans on a slow fire here. Turn it down just a little bit more. Let that cook in nice and slow.
Okay.
All right, that's not gonna take too long. All right. Now with these here, as they're cooking in, we're gonna slow it down a little bit. And then these are gonna season the taste. So y'all do what y'all wanna do, but me, put a little black pepper in there for
There you go.
a little garlic powder. Just a dash of salt. Back to our tacos. Then you just basically use your basic taco seasoning. A little bit of water. Follow the instructions on the packet. A little marinara sauce.
Cooking it up.
Bad boy out. Not too much. Put this on a low fire. Now turn this bad boy off. Matter of fact, get off the heat so it don't brown.
Okay.
All right, cover it down. Alright, so you got a nice little nacho blend. Cheese right there.
Yep.
We got our chicken. We got our cheese. Refried beans. And our rice. And our lettuce. Basically, you can get this bad boy going. Alright, you want it low, you don't want it too hot.
Okay.
Because you'll definitely burn.
Okay. Only a certain amount, right?
Yep. Get some of these refined beans up in there. Spanish rice. Get your cheese. Got your lettuce. This is salsa, baby.
Oh, salsa sauce.
Salsa,
Okay.
Get this bad boy on here, okay? Get it going. And pretty much repeat. We'll do 2 of the beef ones.
Amazing with the roll up.
Yeah, I've been rolling for a long time.
All right, depending on quantity, really depends on the price point, which you're probably gonna spend around $20. But it doesn't take away from the quality of being such an amazing meal at any given part of the day. As always, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel Chefing It Up for our daily notifications, and make sure you leave a comment for some feedback. Until our next episode, take care.
Peace.